Hey plums, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is China Zombanasi, and today I'll be showing you how to make proper Nigerian meat pie. So first off, you want to put in your vegetable oil, then your salt and your chopped onions, and give that a very good mix. So you go in with your minced meat, grounded beef, and you mix that properly. You want to just break that down properly because it was really kind of lumpy and all of that. So just mix it properly so it gets separated. Then you go in with your seasoning. I put in curry, thyme, knorr, beef knorr to be precise. When you feel like you've mixed it enough, then you go in with your diced potatoes. And this whole frying method, some people choose to go about it or just omit it. Any of your choice, it will still come out the same way, but I prefer frying mine. Then you add in some water and put in your carrot, your green pepper, your spring onions, and you also mix that properly and cover up. Always make sure to be checking it on fire so that it doesn't burn. So I'm just going in with my corn flour. You can use regular flour, it will still come out the same and it won't have any issue. So at this point we are done with our pie filling, and I'm just going to bring down off heat so that it will cool down. So at this point you want to just sieve your flour properly and make sure that when you're putting in your flour you level it as I'm doing in the video. You want to just level it with your knife. I'm going to be adding my baking powder, adding my salt, and I put sugar, just a little bit of sugar, and give that a very good mix. Yeah, I'm adding my cold butter. Make sure to use cold butter. It gives it a very good texture, and mix it till it is crumbly. So I'm going to be going in with my water. Most times I use egg, but I didn't use egg in this particular video, but egg makes it to be much more crunchy. If you want to put egg into your flour mixture, you can just put 1 egg and 3/4 cup of water. It will come out really nice. And please make sure to check your water that it isn't too much, because you do not want it to be too soft. You won't really get a very nice result. So I'm just going to get my rolling pin and roll this on a surface, like if put your flour so that it doesn't stick on the table or any of that. Then I put in my meat, my meat pie filling, and use my egg to just go around on the body so that it doesn't burst open, doesn't pop out or any of that. So at this point you want to put in your egg wash on the body, and please be generous about it. I wasn't generous about it in this video. I was quite in a hurry, but just be generous about putting the egg on your body so that it comes out really shiny and has that whole, that whole beauty and all of that. And then you pop that in the oven and bake for about like 30 minutes. and your meat pie is ready, looking so beautiful and yummy and ready to eat. So please do not forget to check the recipe down below in my description box, and do not forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thanks for watching.